How to make your Facebook account completely public. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Facebook application. Now tap on the three lines. Now go to settings and privacy. Scroll down. Click on settings. Now scroll down. Now tap on how people can find and contact you. Now select who can send your friend request to everyone. Now tap on who can see your friends. Select public. Now go back. Now tap on post. Now select public to who can see your future post. Now go back. Go to followers and public content and set every options to public. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.